Are you looking for the best 4K cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best 4K cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI 4K Camera. The DJI Pocket 2 is a remarkable innovation in the world of compact cameras, merging the portability of a pocket-sized device with the powerful performance of a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer and 4K camera. This device is designed for creators on the go, offering an impressive 1/1.7 CMOS sensor that captures 64MP photos and 4K video, ensuring high-quality imagery in a variety of settings. Its lightweight design, weighing just 117 grams, and extended battery life up to 140 minutes, make it an ideal companion for capturing moments instantly and effortlessly. Moreover, the DJI Pocket 2 enhances your audio-visual storytelling with features like HDR video for vibrant detail, 8x zoom for capturing distant subjects sharply, and DJI Matrix stereo technology for immersive sound. Its motorized stabilization ensures smooth footage, while glamour effects and AI editor support creative expression in content creation. Whether for YouTube, TikTok, or vlogging, this camera adapts to your needs with its compatibility for most smartphones, making it a versatile tool for creators of all levels. Number 2. GoPro 4K Camera. The GoPro Hero 7 Black redefines the boundaries of action camera capabilities, featuring hypersmooth stabilization that delivers gimbal-like footage without the actual gimbal. This innovation allows adventurers and action enthusiasts to capture incredibly smooth video, regardless of the intensity of the activity. Its robust design is waterproof up to 33 feet without a housing, making it an essential tool for any adventure, whether it's surfing, snowboarding, or hiking through rainy conditions. With the ability to shoot stunning 4K 60 video and 12MP photos, the Hero 7 Black ensures that every moment is captured with crisp detail and vivid clarity. In addition to its ruggedness and superior image quality, the Hero 7 Black offers a range of features designed to enhance your shooting experience. Live streaming in 720p lets you share your adventures in real time, while time-warp video creates mesmerizing, stabilized time-lapse clips. Voice control provides hands-free operation, and the camera's intuitive touchscreen makes navigating settings and playback incredibly easy. Whether you're looking to capture epic adventures or everyday moments, the GoPro Hero 7 Black is equipped to deliver professional quality results with ease. Number 3. Panasonic 4K Camera. Panasonic Lumix FZ80 is designed for both beginners and experienced photographers, making it user-friendly. Armed with an 18.1MP sensor and an 60x zoom lens, it excels in the art of preserving captivating 4K video and photos, even under challenging low-light circumstances. The clear viewfinder and easy touchscreen make it simple and enjoyable to take and view your photos. It gives photographers more creative options with tools like post-focus and focus stacking, allowing for freedom. Post-focus allows you to fine-tune focus points after capturing an image, while focus stacking enhances depth of field control. This can be used for travel with USB charging and Wi-Fi. It's a versatile and accessible choice for photographers on the move. Quality. Number 4. Sony 4K Camera. The Sony ZV-1 camera is specifically designed for content creators and vloggers, offering an array of features that cater to the dynamic demands of modern digital storytelling. With its 20.1MP stacked back illuminated 1-inch XMR-RS CMOS sensor and Zeiss Variosonor T-lens, 24-70mm f1.8-2.8, it delivers outstanding image quality in a compact form. The camera is equipped with fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus, ensuring sharp, focused images and videos even in motion. Its side flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen is perfect for selfies and vlogging, providing flexibility in shooting angles and immediate feedback on your footage. Additionally, the ZV-1 introduces features such as product showcase setting for smooth focus transitions between the subject and objects, and a bokeh switch for easily adjustable background blur. The camera's built-in microphone is designed to capture clear audio, enhanced by the included windscreen, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting. With its advanced color science, optimized for skin tones, and professional-grade video functions like HLG, Hybrid Log Gamma, and S-Log 3 of 2, the Sony ZV-1 stands out as a versatile tool for creators looking to produce high-quality content effortlessly. Number 5. Sony Alpha 4K Camera. The Sony Alpha 7 IV marks a significant leap in mirrorless camera technology, blending a 33MP full-frame XMR or back-illuminated CMOS sensor with the next-generation Bionz XR image processing engine. This combination delivers unparalleled image clarity, low-light capability, and high-speed performance. Designed for both professional photographers and videographers, the Alpha 7 IV excels in capturing high-resolution stills and up to 4K 60p 10-bit 4:2:2 videos, ensuring detailed and vibrant content in all recording formats. Its comprehensive video capabilities are further enhanced by 7K oversampling for full-frame 4K 30p shooting, providing creators with exceptional creative flexibility. The camera's autofocus system sets a new standard with real-time IAF for humans, animals, and birds, ensuring critical focus for both stills and video. The fast hybrid AF combines 759 phase detection points with 425 contrast detection areas, covering approximately 94% of the image area. This, along with a robust 8x processing speed increase from its Bionz XR engine, enables the Alpha 7 IV to handle fast-moving subjects with ease. The inclusion of S-Cinetone color profile, inspired by Sony's cinema cameras, offers creators a way to achieve beautiful, cinematic-looking footage straight out of the camera. Number 6. Nikon 4K Camera. The Nikon Z50, bundled with a Nikon ZDX16 to 50mm f/3.5-6.3 VR lens, is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera that does not compromise on performance. Designed with the enthusiast and vlogger in mind, this camera integrates a 20.9MP APS-C sensor, delivering high-quality images and robust 4K UHD video capabilities. The first of its kind in Nikon's DX format mirrorless range, it utilizes a large 55mm lens mount that enhances image quality and low-light performance. Its selfie flip-down touch LCD screen is a nod to vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, offering ease of use and flexibility in capturing various angles and compositions. The Z50's built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make for seamless pairing with smartphones, facilitating easy sharing and remote control functionalities. Its compatibility with a wide range of Nikon Z lenses, as well as F-mount Nikon lenses through an adapter, extends its versatility and appeal to a broad spectrum of photographers. From its user-friendly interface to its impressive imaging capabilities, the Nikon Z50 stands out as a formidable tool for capturing memories, creative projects, and everything in between. Number 7. Canon 4K Camera. The Canon EOS R8 emerges as a compelling option for those looking to step up to a full-frame camera without dealing with excessive size and weight. Its blend of high-quality imaging, advanced video capabilities, and portability makes it a strong contender for content creators and photographers seeking a versatile and reliable camera. Equipped with a 24.2 million pixel CMOS image sensor and the powerful Digic-X image processor, the EOS R8 delivers exceptional image quality, with improved resolution at lower ISO speeds and reduced noise at higher ISOs. Its compact design does not hold back on advanced features, providing users with uncropped 4K movie recording at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K for exquisite detail, and Full HD high frame rate movie recording up to 180 frames per second for stunning slow motion effects. The EOS R8 stands out with its dual pixel CMOS AF2 system, covering up to 100% x 100% area with 1053 AF zones, and includes automatic subject detection using deep learning technology. This ensures accurate tracking of people, animals, vehicles, and even aircraft and trains, making it a versatile tool for various shooting scenarios. Whether capturing stills or video, the EOS R8 is designed to meet the demands of creators seeking a lightweight camera without compromising on functionality or image quality.